I love how you suggested looking for people that are already tinkering with it. I've been playing with AI for at least 8 months now on a daily basis, using different tools, constantly looking for new opportunities to automate what I'm doing. I'm also using AI to build tools for myself to make my own work, more automatable. I have a friend who she had a job as a quality assurance person, so a QA tester, manual tester for a software. And she lost her job with the company, and then she ended up finding another job with the company after a few months of looking, which is quite normal. But in that time, I was pushing her really hard to figure out how to use AI because I said, look, your job is not safe. I go, I don't know why you lost your job, but any job you're going to get in the future, if you're not using AI right now to help you do your job will be not safe. Please take this time while you're looking for a job and figure out AI. She didn't. She got this job, and finally something happened that caused her to want to just try out what would happen to automate parts of her job. And she did a test, and she was amazed with how quickly she was able to figure out how the AI could help her to automate her job. And now she said, I'm never going to go back. I did something in 10 minutes that would have taken me a week to do. She said, I'm going to be the most efficient person in my entire company because no one else is using AI yet.
That's the right mindset, I think, to have. Something that we've been all afraid of is that this new AI revolution is going to be worse than the industrial revolution, as in it's going to leave us without jobs rather than just make everything more efficient. But there's also this interesting trend where even after the latest industrial revolution, demand just continued to stay abreast of supply. We now have materials that we treat with throwaway mentality. We created a world of disposable material, for better or for worse, of course. We have food that we leave on the table, and we're okay if it molds up in a refrigerator, at least in most parts of the developed world. And that's something that would be unheard of before, the industrial revolution and the invention of modern machinery. And in a similar way, we're now creating a world in which these intelligence resources are available on tap. And what this intuitively tells us is that, hey, all these people are going to be out of a job. All of these lawyers are going to be out of a job. All of these developers are going to be out of a job. What ended up happening is people are creating 10 times more websites, more products on vibe coding apps like Lovable or V0. Everyone is able to enhance their non-digital business with a digital interface that has AI enabled to it. So we're really pushing also the supply side and seeing that there's still a lot more demand than we expected for all of these things that we're currently doing manually. And the right mindset to have, because a lot of the shifts are going to happen in the short term. There will be some painful shifts happening at companies that don't adapt, is to be like your friend and ask yourself, I'm a QA tester. I'm doing this work manually where I'm clicking on a UI to find out if there's any issues whenever it gets deployed. But I can be an AI-enabled QA tester, and I can have 5 agents that I configure and maintain over time that are continuously testing this software. And that person on the job market is extremely valuable and extremely in demand. So there's also an opportunity of making out of a threat or a difficult situation an enabling one by saying, okay, I am the person that is going to bring this new technology into the firm. I know the rules of it because I've done it manually, but I also know how AI can use it, or at least I know other businesses that I can work with to make AI actually do this job at a much bigger scale. And we're starting to see these champions of AI also within businesses.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this insight, I've handpicked another video for you right here on the screen. For more actionable strategies that get you real results, hit subscribe.